In my latest video about ZimWriter lifetime deal, I used my cloned voice, as you can hear. The countdown you see is going inexorably towards 0, and when it reaches the end, the ZimWriter lifetime deal will be gone. So it's me, it's my voice, but with a way better English pronunciation. And now I can decide if I want to use my real voice for this video or my cloned voice. I am your cloned voice. Use me, use me, use me. No, wait. I think for the sake of this video I will use my real voice. Anyway, in the comments I had two different requests to show my process for cloning my voice, because in this case it sounds really good and really high quality. So I'm about to show you my secret. Or that's not a secret. You know, I really like ElevenLabs. In my opinion, this is the absolutely best AI voice generator you can find. But it's not only a voice generator. Now you can do many things. They added many new features. But in this video I want to show you how you can professionally clone your voice with a super high quality, and you can even earn from it, like I'm doing. So follow me. Step number 1. You need to click on the link you find in the description and you need to create an account with ElevenLabs. Now they have some different plans. You can even try it for free for $0, and each month you have some credits to use with ElevenLabs, 10,000 credits, but you will miss some of the most advanced features. So if you want to have a very high quality clone of your voice and you want to earn money with it, passive income, you need at least this creator plan. Because only with this creator plan and above, you have included this professional voice cloning. So you need at least this plan. You have a 50% off for the first month, and then it's $22 monthly. Or if you want to pay yearly, this is the price per month. You obviously need to pay upfront. Other than this, you need a very high quality microphone, a good environment where you can record your AI training voice, and a little bit of patience, because it's not a 5 minutes solution, but the result will be incredible. Okay, now I'm inside the ElevenLabs platform. As you can see, this was my last generated text. It's the ending of my video about ZimWriter lifetime deal. What do you need to do in order to clone your voice? You need to go here on this voices section. As you can see, I have a list of voices. These are some of my favorite ones I use or test inside ElevenLabs. I have all these voices. I have the personal ones, I have the community ones, and the default ones are the default you can find in ElevenLabs. Anyway, the next step is to click here, add a new voice. And as you can see, you have two different voice cloning options. They are pretty different because this instant voice cloning is very quick to use. You can use a very short sample, even 1 minute, 2 minutes or 5 minutes of audio, and you can clone your voice. The result is pretty good, but not optimal. If you really want to clone your voice in the best way possible, you need to use this professional voice cloning. As you can see, unlike instant voice cloning, which lets you clone voices from very short samples, this feature requires more audio data for training, but speech produced by the model is virtually indistinguishable from the original. So by clicking here, you have now some instructions. When you activate this plan, if I remember well, you have, I think, 5 different voice clones you can create. As I said, you need a professional recording equipment. For optimal results, you need high quality recording, so a very good microphone, a very good audio interface. If you can, you need to use a pop filter. You need to stay at the same distance from the microphone for all your recording, and you need to ensure that your audio doesn't have any interference, background music, background noise. You need to have a good room acoustic. You need to record at the correct volume, and as you can see here, the length of your audio training need to be longer. You need to provide at least 30 minutes of high quality audio, but they suggest to go up to 3 hours of audio to have a better quality. In my case, I recorded 1 hour of a specific tone because you need to train this AI to replicate your tone, your way of talking, and you can generate different tones. For example, in my case, I cloned one voice with the social media kind of tone, and I cloned one with an ebook reading style. So for each style, you need to generate the perfect AI training audio. And this is why it's not a very quick process, but believe me, this is the best way you can clone your voice. Then you need to accept here. You can start, you can upload your file, and it will take a few hours in order to have your voice cloned, because this will be done on the ElevenLabs servers. And this is an important step. Okay, but how do you earn money with it? As you can see, these two voices, Chris Basetta Social Media and Chris Basetta Audiobooks, are two different styles of my cloned voice. Obviously, I made two different audio trainings. Each one was 1 hour, more or less, and I will let you hear the difference in a moment. But once your cloned voice is ready, you can label it, because you will be able, if you want, to share your voice with the community. And this is where you can earn money. Obviously, you need to be keen of let other people use your voice. But if I go here on this library section, here is where other people are sharing their voices. If I search for my name, as you can see, these are my shared voice, so I'm sharing my voice with the community. Even you can use my voice. Obviously, my voice is trained in Italian, but you can still use it even in English, and with different AI models in ElevenLabs. As you can see, these are marked with professional voice clone. So if you clone your voice and want to share it with the community, even your voice will be here. Let's say someone need a voice for entertainment and TV. You have some filters here, so all these voices are people like you or me, or professional voiceovers that share their AI cloned voice with the community. You can use all these voices for your project, but again, we are talking about earning money. So let me go again here, where is my voice. As you can see, I have this voice sharing button here, and I can see some metrics. So, for example, this is how my cloned voice is used in these recent weeks. This is the daily usage of my voice, and I can also see my rewards for this specific case. As you can see, this voice has earned $45.84. Obviously, you will not become rich just by sharing your voice, but please note, my voice is trained in Italian and it's mostly used in Italy. If you speak English, if you have a good pronunciation, your voice will be used all over the world, so this number will be even higher, obviously. And if you have 5 different clones you can generate with this plan, you will be able to earn more. In fact, I suppose most of the best voices shared in the community can earn hundreds of dollars per month by sharing these AI voices. And you can also use this cloned voice yourself. If I go into this text-to-speech section, I want to let you hear the differences between my voices and the different AI models you can use in ElevenLabs. So let me just use this little sentence. This is my social media tone. This voice tone is focused on social media, shorts, and so on. And many people here in Italy are using this voice in Italian, obviously. If I want to generate something in English, but with a slightly Italian pronunciation, I just need to use this multilingual version 2 model and just write in English and click on Generate Speech.
And that's it, folks. The ZimWriter lifetime deal is coming to an end, and once the clock hits 0, it's gone.
Okay, now you have different AI models. For example, I can use 11 Turbo 2.5. As you can see, this is a cheaper model, 50% cheaper, but the result is slightly different.
And that's it, folks. The ZimWriter lifetime deal is coming to an end, and once the clock hits 0, it's gone.
I don't really like this one, it's not so perfect, but it can be useful in some cases. Or I can even use this English version 1. This is only for English, it will change slightly my tone, but the pronunciation will be even better in English.
And that's it, folks. The ZimWriter lifetime deal is coming to an end, and once the clock hits 0, it's gone.
And obviously every time you generate the audio slightly changes, and you can even work with these settings here. I want to let you hear the difference now with this other tone I made, this other cloned voice I made, because this was made for audiobooks, so the tone of the voice is obviously different.
And that's it, folks. The ZimWriter lifetime deal is coming to an end, and once the clock hits 0, it's gone.
I hope you can hear the difference. This tone of voice is more calm and ideal for audiobooks. So let's try it with this 11 Turbo version 2.5, because for this specific voice, as you can see, I have this recommended label. So for ElevenLabs, this is the best AI model I need to use with this specific cloned voice.
And that's it, folks. The ZimWriter lifetime deal is coming to an end, and once the clock hits 0, it's gone.
Okay, so as you can hear, this voice is slightly different depending on the AI model you use. There's a payout section in ElevenLabs where you can see how much you are earning, all-time earnings and current period earnings, so you can connect your Stripe account and get payments directly. And this is how you can earn money with ElevenLabs and your cloned voice, your professionally cloned voice. And they recently added some other interesting features. I really like this voice changer. You can say something, upload an audio and change your voice. You can even change your voice from male to female, it's incredible. You can generate sound effects, I made a specific video about this. You have projects, so you can generate multiple voices projects here. You have this voiceover studio, it's in beta, where you can combine narration and sound effects. You have the dubbing studio, this is really interesting because you can dub your videos in another language, and you also have a multi-track system here. You can change the dubbed voice, you can do many things, you can change the text, it's really good. Audio Native lets you insert this kind of player into your website, so users can automatically read your articles with AI, with ElevenLabs voices, and you also have this voice isolator, so you can get rid of background noise if you have an audio and maybe you want to clean it. Maybe I will do another video where I show you all these new features of ElevenLabs. And that's it, this is how you can clone your voice, have a very good clone and earn some money with it. But again, you need at least this creator plan, because this professional voice cloning is only available from this plan and above. If you want, if you like this idea, Link is in the description, it's my affiliate link, and thank you if you will use it. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you and maybe gave you some ideas on how to use these AI voices from ElevenLabs. Now hit the like button, and if you want, you can click here and watch for my previous videos about ElevenLabs. Thank you very much for being here until now, and as always, I'll see you soon in the next one.